Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bssb coin. Now this coin just got a brand new central exchange listing on December 22nd. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token already has 9,891 holders. The name of the token is Bssb, and so is the ticker symbol. It is on the Ethereum blockchain. There's 18 decimal places. And right now there's a little bit over 12,094,588 tokens. This is from a project called Bitstable, the Bitstable protocol. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on December 22nd. This token got listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex account, I do have a Coinex referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Bssb, and then simply just buy the token. So it is already up there as of December 22nd on Coinex Global, so go check it out. Now, Bitstable is a pioneering decentralized asset protocol on the Bitcoin blockchain, offering a unique framework for the creation, trade, and management of synthetic assets. It enhances asset liquidity on the Bitcoin chain through a dual token system and cross-chain compatible structure. Now, the project here has a webpage at bitstable.finance. Over there you can find a full white paper, or you could just go to docs.bitstable.finance. It says here you could use the Via Wallet from viawallet.com. They have their Etherscan, and then they have some socials. So they have a Twitter and they have a Telegram. And I'm going to put their Twitter in the corner of the screen there. Their Telegram is at Bitstable. Real easy to find that. Now their webpage, that's available there. So the Bitstable protocol is the platform through which anyone, anywhere, can generate the Daii stablecoin. So it's like Daii, but with an extra I. Against the Bitcoin ecosystem collateral assets. So Bitstable is a pioneer decentralized asset protocol on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now this documentation, if you're going to read their documents, provides an in-depth overview of the whole Bitstable protocol, its components, and its functionality. So the first part would be the Daii stablecoin I just talked about. So it says stable and secure. Daii is a stablecoin that derives its value and stability from the robustness of Bitcoin's ecosystem, the assets BRC20, RSK, and the Lightning Network. So the purpose serves as a medium of stability in the volatile cryptocurrency market, making it a reliable asset for trade and investment. Also, cross-chain utility. With its cross-chain capabilities, Daii not only benefits Bitcoin users, but also brings the Ethereum community into the fold, fostering a more interconnected and fluid blockchain ecosystem. So Bssb is the governance and involvement token. As the governance token of Bitstable, Bssb empowers its holders with decision-making authority, ensuring that the protocol evolves into a direction shaped by its community. It's empowerment and earnings. So holding Bssb is not just about governance, it's also about being a part of Bitstable's growth, sharing in its successes through dividends and other financial incentives. So they have a getting started with a Bitstable guide, the Bitstable Protocol 101. They'd also talk about the Daii module, which is the Bitstable protocol, a cornerstone feature designed for the generation and management of the Daii stablecoin. On the Bitcoin blockchain, given Bitcoin's limitations in smart contract functionalities, the Daii module focuses on a streamlined minting and burning process using the Ordi asset in its initial phase. So that's interesting. Also, generation of Daii using BRC20 Ordi. You can mint Daii. Users can mint Daii by collateralizing the BRC20 Ordi token. This process involves locking Ordi in Bitstable protocol on the Bitcoin blockchain. And then it says, due to Bitcoin's inherent limitations, the Daii module is tailored to operate with these constraints, focusing on a robust and secure minting process. So they have a generation of Daii using Bitcoin, so users can mint Daii by collateralizing spot Bitcoin. They also have generation of Daii using BTCB. So there's a liquidation process, there's cross-chain functionality, so Daii on Ethereum, swapping for stablecoins, redeeming. Now, they have, it goes over Daii a lot on their white paper as opposed to Bssb. Now, like I mentioned though, it is a a dual token economy here. So let's skip down to the Bssb module here. So the governance component, so you can use the Bssb token for voting. Token holders are empowered to participate in decision-making processes with each token representing a vote. Proposal mechanisms. Stakeholders can submit proposals for changes or enhancements in the Bitstable protocol. There's execution of decisions, governance, security features, community engagement, governance, interface, transparency and reporting, incentives for participation, and adaptive governance framework. There's the dual token system like I mentioned, so the Daii stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, and then the Bssb token is the Ethereum one that is the governance token. So besides that, there's burning mechanisms, there's staking, there's all sorts of things, cross-chain functionality. Lots of cool things involved here. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know, what do you guys think about Bitstable, the Bssb token, and the Daii stablecoin? Leave a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes, especially that Coinex global one where the Bssb token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.